quickly, I've prepared a video for us mothers. I'm not too sure if the mothers know, but during the last 2 weeks, I just made a video tribute, so I gathered all the kids, and this is the video that I've got dedicated to us mothers. So.
What is your most best cooking?
Best cooking? Salmon dish. I'll say my favorite is cocolizo.
Chippy? What's that? Oh, chippies! Mommy's ready for these chippies?
What's my favorite color?
Pink and plastic. Black and pink.
What's one thing she could be better at? What do you love most about your mom?
Making food. She loves me.
What do you love most about your mommy? What do you love about your mommy?
What do you love about mommy? What do you love about mommy?
What is one thing that she's really good at?
Making food and chewing on the finger.
Nice. What's your love?
Praying for me in schools, English, Wednesday, and Tuesday.
Everything. Anything in particular?
Because if I don't do this, Ayan's not going to let me speak. So, on the behalf of Ayan, she is beautiful mom. Ayan says thank you for taking care of him. Thank you for wiping his smelly. Thank you for cooking his food, even though it doesn't always taste so good. In all honesty, love. I think Ayan said the exact same thing I would say as well. Thank you for taking such good care of us. Thank you for making me a dad. I thank you for being such a great role model to Ayan. I really hope that Ayan one day does not ever backtrack you. Otherwise, I'm going to bash him. Very, very, very bad. And I'm sorry, Mama, for saying that, but it's okay. I love your daughter and I love your mom. So again, happy Mother's Day, love. We love you so very, very much. Please keep doing what you're doing, and please continue to take care of us. Because you know we can't take care of ourselves. That is a lie. I lie. We can, but we do a better job. We love you. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. For Disney. Everything. It's for you. And yeah.
Happy Mother's Day and thanks for letting me gifts for my life. I haven't lived with you, but when you give a future, you should, I think I should buy you a house or something.
Mabasa mailaw po. Hallelujah. Hallelujah.
Ya Allah, mesti bela mai mo.
Ulo wa mayare kalami.
Na dia cayau.
Ya balawa sina.
Na iya, tapi nama kita tu kelam.
Ay. Hallelujah. Ave se miau nga. Pa sinde le nga. Hallelujah.
It's a light. I'll put you